created the Cloud Camp. Can you explain us what exactly is a Cloud Camp?
Well, the Cloud Camp is something that Dave Nielsen and I and a few others created in 2008. Initially, it was a reason for a group of us to get together back then to talk about cloud computing. It's kind of a bunch of Twitter friends, in a sense. Get together, have some drinks, talk about clouds. It was meant to be a party. Next thing we knew, there were events in London, there were events all over the world, and two years later, we've had events in something like 140 locations, and it's become a worldwide phenomenon. Generally, the purpose is to answer one question. What is cloud computing, and how does it benefit me as a business or an individual, or any number of other reasons why to use cloud computing?
One of the questions that often are present in a Cloud Camp is about security of cloud computing. So which are the risks, and if we have risk in cloud computing?
So the answer is it's not simple. There's risk in computing, generally speaking. There's risk when you leave your thumb drive on a bus, if you lose your laptop. So the risks are different. The risks are now that you're giving up control. But IT is about giving up control, regardless of whether it's a data center or it's a lost hard drive. The fact is, security is always a concern when dealing with information technology, regardless of whether it's the cloud or traditional data center. So I think that the benefit to cloud computing and all this talk about security is the fact we're actually thinking about security, where often in a traditional company, it's an afterthought. You don't think about it because, hey, it's behind the firewall. Who cares?
Recently you started the SpotCloud. Which is the goal of this project?
The goal of the project is to create a spot market for excess computing capacity. So what we've discovered in deploying our infrastructure as a service platform at Enomaly is a large portion of service providers around the globe who are building cloud infrastructures are unfortunately underutilized, meaning they have excess or unused computing resources and they have no way to sell it. And on the other side, the people who want to buy capacity on a regional basis have no way to discover all these various cloud providers in places around the world, such as Italy or Korea or Japan and other places. So what we have is a mechanism to bring buyers of compute capacity on a regional level with sellers in a simple, structured market.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.